Hi, Sophia. It's Auntie Abbey. Gonna read you a story. Okay, gonna read Monkey Puzzle. Look, see, there's a monkey. Monkey and a caterpillar, and they're in a tree with some flowers and a butterfly. Yay. Okay, there's a lizard, a parrot. Monkey puzzle. I've lost my mum. Hush, little monkey, don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said the butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. See, that big. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mum. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. No, no, no. That's an elephant. My mum isn't a great grey hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils round trees. She coils round trees? Then she's very near. Quick, little monkey. She's over here. That's an elephant. No, no, no. That's a snake. Mum doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl round a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mum's got legs. It's legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. This is a slippery, slithery snake. No, no, no. That's a spider. Mum isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops, way up high. She lives in the trees? You should have said. Your mummy's hiding above your head. No, no, no. That's a parrot. Mum's got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk or squabble or shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mum leaps and springs. Aha, I've got it. She leaps about. She's round the corner, without a doubt. This is a parrot. It's colourful. No, 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 that's a frog. Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mum's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and likes to cuddle. Oh, look, he's cuddling himself. And this is a frog. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, no, no. That's a bat. Why do you keep getting it wrong? Mum doesn't sleep all day long. I told you. She's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mum's not little? Now let me think. She's down the river having a drink. No, no, no. That's an elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't. You see, none of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, 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 that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mum. See, that's the baby. That's Mummy and that's Daddy. Aww, Good night, Sophia.